From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
To find the derivative of this product of a linear and a trigonometric function, we have to use the product rule. Product rule tells us that if y is a product of u and v, which are both functions of x, it means the y dx is v du dx plus u the v dx. So if our u is x, simply the u dx is 1, and if our v is sine 1 over x, then the v dx is differentiate the outside function, which is sine, to get cos 1 over x, and then differentiate the inner function, which is 1 over x. Remember, 1 over x is same as x to the power minus 1, and if we differentiate this, we'll have minus 1 times x to the power subtract 1 minus 2. So this is minus 1 over x squared, minus 1 over x squared. So our dy dx will leave us with v, which is sine of 1 over x, the u, which is 1, plus u, which is x, times the v dx, which is cos 1 over x times minus 1 over x squared. One of these x squared will cancel this, and what we'll have is the y, the x is left with sine 1 over x minus 1 over x cos 1 over x. This is our final answer. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye.